The title for my show right now is Rest Here. My project is about how memory is passed down through different textiles and heirloom objects like quilting, weaving, and different textiles that are around us in our everyday. The work focuses on how these objects act as a living archive and how they preserve memory, tradition, and the people and places that they've interacted with. I have a background in feminist theory and feminist art criticism. And I'm learning now that it's not specifically female labor. There are lots of men and lots of LGBTQ plus people who have done quilting and fiber arts. And that led to my summer research where I went to Edinburgh, Scotland to meet with a quilter and art historian who works at the College of Edinburgh. And I spoke with her about her own quilting practice and then also about the history of quilting, which was really wonderful. And she recommended a very long list of books for my thesis, which has been amazing. She's working to preserve a method of critically endangered hand quilting using a frame. So I was able to acquire one of those frames to quilt on. So I feel like it's really special to be able to learn from her research and then use my research to further her research, because I'm using the methods that she's trying to preserve, and in that way I'm preserving them too, which in a less traditional way than your standard quilters and quilting frames. I hope viewers take away that these objects that we surround ourselves with are important, and that the people who make them are also important, that labor is a labor of care. And also, I hope that they are able to see themselves in the work, and that being a way to question their own experiences with domestic textiles and domestic space generally, and the tension kind of between existing in those spaces with other people, with other objects, and also with memory and tradition, which is a big focus of my work.